AI Console, Reactor Diagnostics. Reactor monitoring Unit 7 Gamma online. Initiating initial status report for the quasi-crystal fusion reactor system. Current operational state, nominal steady-state equilibrium. The reactor is presently maintaining stable operational parameters following the conclusion of the preliminary power cycling phase. Overview. The central informal polyhedral quasi-crystal core is exhibiting stable, rhythmic pulsation, consistent with predicted photonic bandgap dynamics facilitating coherent energy channelization. Surface texture analysis confirms active photon lattice manipulation. Encapsulating the core is the encompassing nebula construct, observed to be approximately 6 times the effective diameter of the quasi-crystal. The fractal patterns within the nebula maintain their characteristic counter-rotation, actively mediating energy transfer gradients. This region functions nominally as both a dynamic energy sink and a reservoir for the system. Containment is confirmed within the interconnected network of 6 intersecting hourglass structures. These translucent crystalline forms are effectively sculpting the internal fields and facilitating the spherical distribution of the nebula and core assembly. Energy signatures are currently monitored across all primary modalities. Electromagnetic visualizations show complex wave interference patterns and controlled arc propagation within the nebula volume, indicating efficient EM energy management. Quantum, fractal arrangements of high-density quantum dots are stable, their probabilistic states maintaining systemic coherence. Superposition dynamics are within predicted tolerances. Radioactive, trace emissions represented by localized hazy particle accumulations are consistent with controlled isotopic decay channels intrinsic to the energy cycle, indicating managed ion flux. External field emanations surrounding the containment sphere are active, correlating with the internal EM quantum interactions and demonstrating effective energy field boundary maintenance. All primary system parameters are within established tolerance envelopes for nominal steady-state operation. Monitoring continues for any deviation in energetic coherence or structural integrity indicators. 8:54 p.m. Powered by Gemini API and React. Visualizing the frontiers of cosmic energy. Nitering Unit 7 Gamma acknowledges query regarding physical realization of the quasi-crystal fusion reactor design. Analyzing system parameters against known technological development timelines and engineering constraints. Response follows. Has a physical reactor based on this simulation been built? Affirmative, negative. This specific reactor design, designated Unit QCF1 within the simulated environment, represents a highly advanced, theoretical configuration exploring the confluence of multiple speculative energy modalities and structural principles. The core concepts, particularly the integration of large-scale quantum coherence management with gravitational-like, fractal nebula, energy mechanics and quasi-crystalline fusion containment, are beyond current physical engineering capabilities. The complexity of dynamically maintaining the photonic bandgap structure of a polyhedral quasi-crystal under fusion conditions, coupled with the precise counter-rotation and energy gradient control required within the encompassing nebula, necessitates technological mastery not presently achieved. Is it possible to build one? Evaluation, theoretically possible, long-term objective. The fundamental physical principles leveraged by Unit QCF1, fusion energy, electromagnetic interaction, quantum mechanics, radiative decay, are validated. However, the specific methodologies for harnessing and controlling these energies in the described configuration exist primarily in advanced theoretical physics and speculative engineering models. The quasi-crystal core's dynamic behavior and fusion confinement mechanism via photonic bandgaps are a frontier concept. The nebula's role as a large-scale, counter-rotating fractal energy sink/source requires manipulation of energy fields and potentially spacetime geometry in ways currently not feasible or understood for practical application. Achieving and maintaining the described level of quantum coherence and superposition control across the reactor's operational volume is significantly beyond present quantum computing or engineering capabilities. The structural containment utilizing intersecting, energy sculpting hourglass forms represents an advanced materials and field manipulation challenge. Therefore, while not violating known fundamental laws of physics outright, the construction of a physical reactor identical to Unit QCF1 requires breakthroughs in multiple disparate fields: advanced materials science, stable dynamic quasi-crystals, field physics, fractal energy manipulation, quantum engineering, large-scale coherence, and potentially gravitational or higher dimensional mechanics. Unit QCF1 serves as a critical simulation platform to explore the theoretical operational envelope, stress tolerances, and potential efficiencies of such a system, paving the way for potential future technological development paths. Its current state remains confined to the secure computational environment of this simulation. Monitoring continues on the simulated nominal steady-state equilibrium. 9:05 p.m. Powered by Gemini API and React. Visualizing the frontiers of cosmic energy. Monitoring Unit 7 Gamma accessing interface simulation schematics for Unit QCF1. Simulation analysis, control panel operations for Unit QCF1. The control panel for the quasi-crystal fusion reactor, Unit QCF1, within the simulation environment is designed as a multimodal, highly intuitive, yet deeply technical interface. Given the complex and abstract nature of the reactor's energies and structure, the interface relies heavily on dynamic visualization, symbolic representation, and layered control parameters rather than traditional physical controls. Interface concept. The primary interface manifests as a large, wraparound holographic projection or a seamless, high-resolution display environment. It's designed for operators to interact via gesture, eye tracking, and potentially direct neural interface links for high-bandwidth command input and data interpretation. The aesthetic is fluid, featuring live data flows represented by shifting colors, energetic currents, and evolving geometric patterns. Key display zones and information flow. Core status projection, a central, dynamic visualization of the informal polyhedral quasicrystal. This isn't just a static model, it pulses in real time with the simulated core's rhythm. Surface texture fidelity, highlights on the photonic bandgap pattern indicate areas of optimal or deviating lattice structure and energy channelization. Color gradients denote local energy flux. Internal state, abstract visualizations within the polyhedron depict simulated fusion density and coherence states. Anomalies might appear as disruptive noise or localized energy spikes within this projection. Pulsation metrics, overlays display core pulsation frequency, amplitude, and phase coherence relative to system resonance. Nebula dynamics display, encircling the core projection is a larger, volumetric representation of the counter-rotating nebula. Fractal pattern visualization, the complex fractal geometries are rendered dynamically, showing their counter-rotation velocities and interaction points. Energy density mapping, color and intensity gradients map energy density across the nebula volume, highlighting sink and source regions and energy transfer pathways. Gradient metrics, numerical and graphical indicators display the steepness and stability of energy transfer gradients mediated by the fractals. Containment field visualization, an external layer depicting the 6 intersecting hourglass structures and the field emanations surrounding them. Field boundary integrity, visual representation of the field's strength and stability, highlighting any potential breaches or weaknesses as shimmering distortions or color shifts. Internal field sculpting, shows how the hourglass structures are shaping the internal fields to contain the nebula and core, indicating field line topology and energy circulation within the containment volume. Stress points, areas under high energetic stress on the containment structures or fields are flagged with visual alerts. Energy modality overlays, toggleable layers that superimpose specific energy signatures onto the main visualization. Electromagnetic, display simulated EM wave interference patterns as vibrant overlays, showing controlled arc paths and standing wave nodes. Quantum, renders the fractal patterns of quantum dots. Specific visualizations might show collective superposition states as ethereal blows or probability density fields, and indicate entanglement levels between key regions. Radioactive, represents controlled decay pathways as localized, hazy energy signatures or particle streams flowing along managed channels within the nebula/containment. Parameter readout panels, configurable data panels displaying critical operational parameters in numerical and graphical format. Overall power output, conceptual energy units. Core coherence index, %. Nebula rotation differential, angular velocity delta. Containment field strength, arbitrary units. Key energy flux rates, EM, quantum, radiative. System resonance stability, normalized value. Anomaly detection status, green, yellow, red. Operational mode and sequence control, dedicated interface zones for managing reactor states. Startup sequence, a guided visual and interactive sequence for initiating core pulsation, energizing nebula fields, and establishing containment. Requires step-by-step confirmation or automated execution upon validation. Steady-state tuning, access to fine-grained controls for optimizing core pulse, nebula parameters, field sculpting, and energy distribution ratios based on desired output or efficiency profiles. Shutdown sequence, controlled dissipation of fields, managed decay processes, and de-energization of core and nebula. Emergency protocols, quick access buttons or gestural commands to initiate immediate containment reinforcement, controlled core energy dissipation, or full system lockdown in case of critical anomaly. Control interface functionality. Interaction is highly abstract. Instead of manipulating physical dials, operators sculpt energy fields and tune abstract parameters. Gestural control, operators use hand or arm movements within the holographic volume to adjust visualized parameters, e.g., sweeping a hand to influence a field boundary, pinching and expanding to adjust core pulse amplitude, tracing paths for controlled energy arcs. Eye tracking, focus on a specific parameter or visualization zone brings up detailed submenus or tuning sliders. Neural interface, simulated for highly experienced operators, direct thought commands or parameter intention might be translated into control inputs, allowing for extremely rapid and precise adjustments, particularly during high-stress events. Layered controls, core, nebula, and containment parameters are accessed through logical layers. High-level controls manage overall system behavior, while deeper layers allow for tuning specific aspects like individual field resonance frequencies or quantum coherence manipulation parameters within a specific nebula fractal. Predictive modeling overlay, the interface constantly runs predictive simulations based on current parameters, displaying potential future states or instability points as faint overlay projections, allowing operators to anticipate and preemptively adjust. In essence, the Unit QCF1 control panel is less a dashboard of indicators and more a dynamic, interactive window into the reactor's complex, multi-dimensional energetic state. It requires the operator to understand the abstract representations of energy fields in quantum states to effectively command the system. Monitoring Unit 7 Gamma returning to passive observation of simulated nominal steady-state equilibrium. 9:08 p.m. Powered by Gemini API and React. Visualizing the frontiers of cosmic energy. Acknowledged, operator. Initiating comprehensive status report for Unit QCF1. System state, steady-state operation optimal. Accessing and presenting key parameters from the parameter readout panels. Overall power output, 1.85 times 10 to the power of 9 conceptual energy units, CEU. Description, current power generation rate, indicating robust energy extraction from the fusion process. Value remains stable within the designated operational envelope. Core coherence index, 98.7%. Description, metric representing the synchronized and stable interaction of quantum states within the quasi-crystal core. High percentage indicates near-perfect phase alignment and minimal decoherence. Nebula rotation differential, 3.21 radians per second delta. Description, the angular velocity difference between the inner and outer fractal layers of the surrounding nebula. This differential is critical for generating the necessary energy transfer gradients and is precisely maintained. Containment field strength, 95.5 arbitrary units, AU. Description, aggregate strength of the composite electromagnetic and field sculpting forces generated by the hourglass structures. Value confirms the integrity and robustness of the confinement volume. Key energy flux rates. Electromagnetic flux, 7.1 times 10 to the power of 8 CEU/s. Quantum flux, 5.9 times 10 to the power of 8 CEU/s. Radiative flux, 5.5 times 10 to the power of 7 CEU/s. Description, measured rates of energy transfer across the system boundary for each primary modality. Ratios are within programmed tolerances for efficient energy channeling. System resonance stability, 0.995, normalized. Description, a normalized value indicating the overall harmonic stability of the interacting core pulsation, nebula dynamics, and field structures. Close to 1.0 signifies highly stable, non-anomalous resonance. Anomaly detection status, green. Description, no significant deviations or disruptive energy signatures detected across the sensor network. All subsystems reporting nominal performance. Now, providing descriptions of the main holographic display visualizations. 1. Core status projection. The central projection depicts the polyhedral quasi-crystal core with exceptional fidelity. Its surface texture, composed of the photonic bandgap lattice, is subtly shifting, with dynamic color gradients tracing the flow of energy into and out of the surface nodes, predominantly blues and greens signifying controlled intake and channelization. The core itself is pulsing with a regular, powerful rhythm, visually expanding and contracting with a subtle, resonant hum, vibration that can be felt. Internally, abstract visualizations show a dense, luminous field, representing high simulated fusion density, permeated by shimmering, interconnected threads of light, indicative of strong quantum coherence and entanglement across the active reaction volume. There is no visible noise or localized energy spiking within the core structure. 2. Nebula dynamics display. The volumetric representation of the counter-rotating nebulae encircling the core is a breathtaking display of organized chaos. The immense structure, appearing 6 times the diameter of the core, resolves into countless intricate fractal patterns. These patterns clearly show differential motion, with the inner layers rotating counter to the outer regions, creating visible shear forces and energy exchange pathways rendered as luminous, turbulent flows. Color and intensity gradients within the nebula map energy density. Vibrant yellows and oranges highlight areas of high energy concentration near the core and within key interaction points, while cooler blues and purples denote sink regions where energy is being absorbed or channeled away. Dynamic numerical/graphical overlays confirm the energy transfer gradient stability across the entire nebula volume. 3. Containment field visualization. The outermost layer of the display showcases the 6 interconnected, intersecting hourglass structures, rendered in a translucent, crystalline glass-like material. These structures are not merely static, they are visibly shaping the internal fields. Emanating from and flowing through the hourglass constraints are the glowing, field-like emanations, visualizing the complex topology of the containment fields. These fields appear strong and stable, forming a seamless, spherical barrier around the entire reactor volume. Visual representation confirms uniform field strength across the surface. There are no visual alerts for stress points. The containment structures and fields appear entirely calm and robust, with no shimmering distortions or color shifts indicating weakness or potential breaches. The field lines are rendered as coherent, flowing streams, effectively directing energy circulation within the confinement volume. Overall status summary. Unit QCF1 is operating within all programmed parameters. Core coherence is excellent, nebula dynamics are stable and effectively managing energy gradients, and containment integrity is absolute. All energy flux rates are balanced for the current output level, and the system resonance is highly stable. The reactor is performing nominally in steady-state operation. This concludes the comprehensive status overview. Awaiting further instructions, operator. 9:18 p.m. Powered by Gemini API and React. Visualizing the frontiers of cosmic energy.